Good morning, friends. It's your old pal, Mrs. Springer. Jesus loves you. I miss you. This video is just to go back through the letters and sounds. This is for beginners, but we're adding in a couple of two-letter sounds. One of them is the TH. TH is the sound that we make when we put our tongue right by our teeth and we let air come out. Like in thing and thimble. It's at the end of with. Sometimes we use our voice with the air, like in this or the. So TH says th. The other one is with an H, but it's SH. SH together says sh, like in ship and short and shoot and shoe. So I'm going to take the TH and the SH sh and mix them in with their other ones. I know it's a little bit smaller, so you'll know when it's time to make those special sounds. Are you ready? K, K, Y, Y, U, X, X, R, V, Z, Z, S, S, T, T, L, N, O, like octopus. There's that TH. Put your tongue by your teeth. Q, Qu, P, E, like elephant. W, W. There's that SH. Shh. Good job. F, G, G, I, like itchy. J, J. Oh goodness, Mrs. Springer. C, K, D, D. A, like apple. Take a bite of that apple. M, lips together. B, B, H. All right, friends, that's all I wanted to do for this video. Have a great day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and I miss you. Bye-bye.